guys, it's your girl Nikki here, back to you with another Guess What? Makeup Mondays with Nikki. And today I did a Barney themed eyeshadow, as you can tell, with the purple and the green. I'm fixing to get ready to go and drive to my appointment. So let's get right down to the video. I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with my foundation powder, which is 125 Buff Beige. I'm just going to do that twice over my face, and I'm going to let you watch that. Next, I'm going to be putting on my Wet n Wild Dual Ended Contour Stick, which is 751A Light Medium shade for you guys. And I'll let you watch how I do the contour and highlight. I try to follow the instructions on the back of the box on the spots that I want to do it, and it always somewhat turns out okay for me. So I'm going to let you go ahead and watch that right there. Also guys, I'm so sorry I did not let you know that it was going to be a voiceover makeup tutorial today, but I think that is the best tutorials that I can do because I can focus on doing my makeup routine, and then later on I can put my voice in on certain parts that I want to. But today I just decided to show you guys how I do my powder, my foundation powder, how I do my contour and highlights, my brows, and everything before I actually do the eyeshadow part. So, alright, let's get back to the contour and highlight, if you please. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but when you're contouring and highlighting with a stick, it kind of, in my opinion, makes you look like a monster in a way. Right now, I'm just blending it all in, and I blend it real good. I tap it and everything real hard just to make sure it's in there. So I even look back at it just to make sure that I got it all blended in right, and none of the brown or the highlight is left for people to see. And you can see the difference between the beginning of the video with the contour and highlight added onto it, and after I've done blended it all real nice and well blended together. Yep. And I'm just making sure everything is super blended, just like I said, for y'all not to actually see any leftovers. Alright, done with that, so let's get on to the next step, shall we? Alright, I'm doing my brows next with a brow volumizing fiber gel. I think it's brown or black, I'm not sure the shade, because I accidentally threw away the box to it. But as you see, I just rub it on there, and I use my brow brush just to find it out how I want it, because I don't too much use a stick to color it in. I like my brows the way they are. I just add a little extra volume to it like that. And that's pretty much it with the brow stage right there. Yep, that's all with the brows right there. So here comes the next step. If you're ready, let's go. Now I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild eyeliner. The color is a black shade, just on my lower waterline. I don't use it on the top because I do not do a winged eye at all, since I don't know how to. I normally do this and my mascara before I put on my eyeshadow. So as you can see, and I had to sharpen it because it was a little dull, so that's why it was so easy to go on real quick. Yep, I'm just going over it like I want to, and you can tell it kind of getting to me a little bit. So here comes my mascara, and what I use is the Urban Decay Perversion, bigger, blacker, badder, of a black shade, of course. And I just put it on a little bit, and I have to blink my eyes just in case any comes onto my face. I can wipe it off real fast in a hurry. Alright, let's get down to the next stage, which is eyeshadow. I use this Pop Feel 40 color eyeshadow palette that I ordered off of Walmart.com, which, as you can see, I'm going to be using this purple and this shade of green right here. The green is going to go on my eyelid, and the purple is going to go like kind of on my crease, inner corner, outer corner, and on the, well, under the eyebrow bone. And you're going to watch that in a few seconds. I don't know why, but I always start out with my left eye for some reason. As you guys can tell in some of my videos that I have it already did, my left eye is already did for you guys, and I just show you how I do it on my right eye. But today you get to see me do both of them. Um, I'm showing you guys this white color because I thought I was going to put a white glitter shade on it, but I quickly changed my mind at the very end, and I chose a different glitter shade, which is the same green that I used, but it's a glittery form, which you cannot see, but it's the same green, it's just got glitter on it, and I'm just going to use my finger to dab that onto the green part of my eye. And now that I am done with the left side of my face, I'm going to do the exact same stuff to my right eye, which is put the purple under my eyebrow bone and in my crease and the inner and outer corner of my eyes. And then the green will go along my eyelid, and at the end use my finger, as you saw before, to dab that extra same shade but glitter form type of green onto my eyelid. Alright, did both eyes, and here is the outcome so far. And like you see, I'm going to put one dab of finger on the eyelid. So, just putting the eyeshadow stuff together. Let's get right down to the lips, shall we? Okay, for the lipstick, I'm using a Unique Splash liquid lipstick. I don't know what color it is. It's a type of purple. I don't know if it's plum or whatever, but I'm going to call it a plum color. And I'm just going to apply that to my lips all over. And this is the first time I've used this on video. I don't usually use this purple, even though I love purple. But I figured since I'm using purple and green, it might not look that bad. And the outcome afterwards, it wasn't too bad. So this color definitely goes with this shade of eyeshadows if you decide to use this color ever. And it's from, the brand is Splash from the company Unique with a Y. Okay, I'm going to be using now my LA Colors Lock and Lip Color. It's a double stick, but I'm going to only use the gloss enhancer parts just to put a little shine to it, like I always do. For some reason, this lip gloss always somehow smears this liquid lipstick, I'm sorry. That's why I don't too much wear liquid lipstick. It has to be lipstick or lip gloss by itself. But now I'm done, and I am going into the bathroom. Sorry, I didn't mean to say bathroom. I meant to say I'm coming into a better light for you to see. And that's the end of it, so I'm going to say bye-bye for now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that makeup tutorial. And I'm sorry if it was kind of wacky. It was a rough cut this morning because I'm kind of was in a hurry. But, like I said, I'm fixing to go to my appointment. And if you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to it. And remember to ring that notification bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video on Mondays. Alright, ciao guys.